rebuilding the vacuum pump from 2010 Volkswagen Passat 2-liter turbo. It's a 2-liter TFSI engine, and the kit is from RKXTech, and it has let's see what gaskets are included. So yes, the main gasket that connects to the head, and the O-ring, and the O-ring for the vacuum port, and this is the O-ring for the high pressure fuel pump. So these are the bolts that you need to remove to get it from the block to 3. They're already off. And then these are T25 Torx, and that's T30, and this is T20. These two, need to take these two off. This is pretty tight, so I sprayed some Freol deep penetrating oil, and just tap the T25 Torx. And that's coming off. And this one, okay, I'm gonna spray and brake clean and clean all the outside surfaces before opening up. So, nylon bristle. I'll clean this and be back. Let's take a look. It looks pretty clean. So these are the veins. I think they both are exactly the same, so it doesn't matter what order they go. There we go. And as you can see, this is completely flattened. There we go. It's the old one. Here's a closer look. I'm going to spray brake clean. Somehow this can lost pressure, so it's just put opening. Here's your brush. It's a nylon brush. Just thoroughly clean. Now open a new can. Should be better. Let's take a look at the other side. spray some gel coat, clean. I'll be back. The surface, even though it looks dirty, it's actually clean. I cleaned it. And here is the new gasket. There we go. New gasket is in. And the paints on the side. They're good there. Make sure the gasket is tucked in well. And make sure the vents there. It doesn't matter what way you go in. And then let's the gasket. It is seated. The surface is clean. There's no debris. There we go. Align it. Here's the T25 Torx. There's only two that holds it in place, and the torque setting for this is I think 7 foot-pounds, and for the vacuum port connection, I think I have the sensor inside the garage, and for that it's 3.5 foot-pounds. So that's the torque wrench is set to 7 foot-pounds. So we take a look right there. On this side, foot-pound 6, and then 1 7 foot-pounds. There's 7. There's 7. That one is done. So let's turn it. Make sure you're able to spin it freely. It's good. So you can go and change the O-ring on the vacuum port sign. Forgot one more thing here. That's the O-ring on the high pressure fuel pump. That, and then also make sure the screen is from here is clean. I'm gonna spray brake parts cleaner and then clean that screen. Just a little bit of debris here. So one. There we go. I have cleaned the mating surfaces of any debris. Make sure it's clean, and I'll have the gasket, make sure it fits right. There we go. It's the gasket. And I'll leave it in there till the assembly, so I won't forget. And the screen is clean and back in place. Let's take a closer look. There's the screen. And the next step is to take the O-ring out of the old O-ring from the high pressure fuel pump. Take the old O-ring out. And clean a little bit. Make sure it doesn't have any debris in there, which it shouldn't. Here's the new O-ring. I'm going to apply a little bit of silicone paste. Slide it in place. There we go. The O-ring is in place. And here's the gasket. I'll leave it like that. So this portion is done, and the next one is changing the O-ring for the vacuum port. That goes right there, which is inside. We'll go and then take care of that. New O-ring is in place for the vacuum port.